So this video for the enquiryMAX Fleet and Business System is focusing on the contacts area. So the contacts section will allow you to create a new contact either here or here, and also show you my contacts. So if we go into my contacts, you can see there's lots of different filters that we can use. So if I say I want to look at all my contacts connected to one account, then I can go into Barclays. So I've got George Wilson is connected to Currys and to Barclays, or I can maybe choose two. So it's quite simple to be able to filter your search. You can filter by name if you want to search that way, or you can filter by postcode. Once you've got your filter up, you can click onto them and you can either download them into an Excel sheet, or you can email them as well. So with emails, obviously you can add your own templates in. So just for instance, I've tried to contact you today, so here it will pull through the title and the surname. I've tried to contact you, would you mind calling me when you have some spare time, kind regards, and I can add some attachments and send that off if I wish. We'll go through the actual creation of email templates is on another video regarding the admin section. So creating a contact, well, you can search for existing, or you can actually load a new one. We have gone through this in the video on part 1, so the video that goes through the full process flow. But if we let's just search for someone. So it pulls through a customer. So if we click onto that, we can then go into the customer's actual details. So this is saying there's a new version of the GDPR. So if I click yes, I'm just going to update the versioning, previous versions, method of consent, etc. So the parent group is there. Okay, if I click onto edit it, then I can go in and actually add some bits and pieces to it, make changes, etc., and then save it. And then the same if I go into this one, click edit. So these are the ones that are missing, and that's a face-to-face, and then save it. So while you're in the actual contact, we've got the contact info of the customer here and the account that they're connected to, or accounts, because they can be connected to more than one. You can see the owner and who's previous to modify the actual account. So if I make any changes by going into edit and make any changes to this, so I'll just make a change there. Okay, so that's been saved, and you can now see last modified by Fleet User 4, which is my user profile, and on today's date and to the time that it's been done. The contact profile, if there's any issues with that contact, then we can add any issues there. As you do with accounts, you can add issues to the accounts as well. Related accounts will show you what he's connected to, and we can assign more accounts to it. So let's say he's also connected to, let's pick on H&M, and his job title there is on the board of directors. His influence is he's a key decision maker. His function is a driver, and then we can copy all the details from the H&M account to put into there. If he's the primary account, then we can put him in as the primary account. So we'll just click save to that, and we can now see what he's starting to be connected to. Obviously you can delete these off very easily as well by using the bin icon. Opportunities, so we've got opportunities against the Boots account. So again, if I click onto the blue area, it will take me into the opportunity, so I can see what vehicles he's shown interest in. If I'd started to spec the cars up, I could copy some. See, there's an F-Pace there as well. We can go into the opportunity information and look at it in more detail, or we can go into the activity and start to update it. So let's just go backwards back into our account and into our contact. So there's our opportunities. Then we're into vehicles. So he hasn't got any vehicles at the moment. Activity is the activity that I just shown you in the opportunities, but it's just showing against the against all the opportunities against the contact name, rather than just the opportunity I just went into and then the GDPR settings, which I've already shown you. So there's as you can see, you can go into this quite easily through lots of different areas, instead of having to always follow that same process. So it shouldn't, once you learn how to navigate the system quickly, there shouldn't be actually too many clicks, because you can get to so many different areas through different methods instead of having to follow one process all the time.